Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Blue Sea. In this video, as per the viewers request, how to join in Merchant Navy as a ETO. I will explain you. In this video, we are going to get a lot of informations about how to join in ship, how to join in Merchant Navy. This information I gave you for those people who willing to join, who really have a dream to join in a ship. This video is very useful. So join with me guys. Let's move on to the video now.
Hello viewers, I'm Arun. I'm working as an electrotechnical officer in Merchant Navy. I would like to share you some informations regarding the Merchant Navy. Regarding my experience, I would like to share my journey where I came from and where I'm now. I have did my electrical and electronics engineering in Bharatiyar College in Pondicherry for 4 years engineering, and after this I have worked in shore for 1.5 years as a technician. This thing for me to learn the electrical equipments in the shores take 1.5 years to learn the electrical things in the shore side, and after I did my electro-technical officer course, and what are the basic things you should follow inside the ship, means the ship behaviors we learn from this 4-month course. And after that, as an electrical cadet for 6 months and as an assistant electrical officer for 6 months, and presently I am working as an electrotechnical officer last 2 vessels. If you have a good knowledge about electrical equipments, you get very fast promotion. Let's see the future of electrotechnical officer in Merchant Navy. Currently now some small companies, they don't prefer electrical officer in Merchant Navy, and for the future scope, the vessel made by the electrical propulsion. So now most of the vessels run as a motor vessel, we said vessel run by the diesel engine. So for the future scope, the main engine totally avoided and electrical propulsion comes to the scope, and electrical officer get a good job also. And whatever the scope come to the future, and never think about the scope. You have the right profession regarding your Merchant Navy, definitely the Merchant Navy will save your life. So take a good perception regarding your profession, then come inside your Merchant Navy, then it will save you. Basic requirement for the electrotechnical officer, there is a 2-way. First one is 10 plus 2. You have to pass 50% of marks in English as well in PCM plus engineering. In engineering, prefer 3 departments: electrical and electronics engineering, electrical communication engineering, as well electrical and instrumentation engineering. And for engineering, minimum 55% of your core profession. 3 departments they prefer: electrical and electronics engineering, or electro communication engineering, and electrical and instrumentation engineering. There is another way, 10 plus diploma. In diploma you have to score 60% of mark, and engineering 55% minimum mark from the electrical and electronics engineering, or electronic communication engineering, or electrical and instrumentation engineering. That is the basic requirements. And if you watch this video after 1 year, maybe there is a change in the requirements, so you have to search in the Google also for the current requirements for the electrotechnical officer, and you can discuss in the below comments for the current requirements. After complete your BTech, you have to do basic courses called as STCW courses: basic firefighting, elementary first aid, PST and PSSR. These are all the basic courses. and you have to do STST courses or SSO course. After one sailing, you have to do advanced firefighting as well the medical first aid. If you want to join as oil tanker, you have to do oil tanker course, and you should apply for the DC and take the DC from the MMD. And if you want to join as chemical tanker, you have to do a separate special course for the chemical tanker courses. And if you want to join in the gas tanker, so you have to do the gas tanker courses. So depending upon the vessel where you join, so you have to do the specialization courses depending upon your joining. For the examination purpose, for the getting COC, you have to do a PSC RP course, which is special for your exam purpose. COC, Certificate of Competency for the Electrotechnical Officer, which is not mandatory before 2015. So after 2015, it is mandatory for all the electrical officer.
Now we are standing at the poop deck of the ship side, the back side. It means the ship was passing under the bridge. The climate is very beautiful, wonderful climate. We are enjoying by this video. After this, there is important information about joining in ship. So continue this video, guys. Now we are in the front side of the ship. Let's see the sea view from the B deck and different ships also. Now you are watching a lot of vessels nearby our ship, and this is one of the big vessel here.
After complete your ETO course, first time any vessel if you get, you can join, get your own experience, then you can join any vessel whatever you prefer. To become a chief engineer, GME or ETO, which is better? GME is the best thing to do, get the promotion one by one as a fourth engineer, third engineer and second engineer, then you get the promotion as a chief engineer. So that is the proper way. General work about electrotechnical officer. Morning you should attend the toolbox meeting. Second engineer conduct the toolbox meeting. He only order you what are all the works you should follow. Basically you should maintain all the electrical equipments inside the engine room, and you have the Saturday routines also. In the Saturday routines you should follow all the fire equipments, and you should follow the lifeboat battery equipments, and separate list you should maintain for the Saturday routines. And apart from that, for the bridge also you have some duties, daily routines you should follow. And before you come to the port, you should check all the lightnings in the deck side as well as your accommodation sites. And meanwhile you should follow the air conditioning inside the accommodation. You should maintain the temperature level. And for the provision chambers, it's also coming under the electrotechnical officer work. So you should maintain the proper temperature inside the provisions, because provision which is very important. So maintain a proper temperature for the fish room and meat room, vegetable room, as well the dry room also. For my personal suggestion for the newcomers for the Merchant Navy, if you want to become a chief engineer, you can choose a GME course. From the fourth engineer you can get the promotion up to the chief engineer level. And if you have a good passionate about your electrical profession, so better you can finish your electrical engineering, and as well you can complete your electrotechnical office course for the pre-sea training in any maritime university and join as a electrical officer if you have passion about your electrical work. After you sailed as electrotechnical officer, you get a good opportunity in shore also. Wherever you go to company, definitely they will take you, because you have a good experience, bulk of experience you have in your Merchant Navy. So definitely you have a good scope on the shore also. Finally, I want to give you one more important suggestion for you guys. Whatever you have done in the ship, you have to maintain the safety. You have to follow through the checklist whatever before did the work. For example, if you work under the 4-peak tank, you have to fill up the enclosed space entry like that. You have a lot of checklist before you work, because it is totally based on your personal safety as well as your onboard crew safety. So follow this guys and maintain a good career inside the onboard. This interview is much useful for you guys. If you have a more doubt about Merchant Navy, you can personally contact me from my channel. Description you have the link below. And best of luck you guys. Have a great future. Join in the Merchant Navy and have a good future for you guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
For our regular viewers, next video is an amazing one for you guys. So keep watching our channel and make sure to subscribe and press the bell button also for the future notifications, and waiting for the next video. So really interesting for you guys. It's very fun also. Share this video to the dedicated person who is willing to come for Merchant Navy. Thank you guys. See you on next video.